Hello kids, how are you? I'm Payal Monga and welcome to your EVS class. So today we are doing bookwork of this chapter number 5, Food for Health. Okay, so now we are doing page number 34. Okay, we eat food at regular intervals. These are called our meals. Okay, जो फूड हम रेगुलर इंटरवल्स पे खाते हैं दीज आर कॉल्ड आवर मील्स, वो हमारे मील्स में होते हैं. वी यूजुअली ईट 3 मेन मील्स इन अ डे. सो डू यू नो दैट विच आर द 3 मेन मील्स दैट वी ईट? दैट इज ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच एंड डिनर. So look at these pictures below. Draw the hands of the clocks to show what time do you normally eat your meals. So there is a proper time when you eat your meals, when you eat your breakfast, lunch and dinner, right? हम अपना ब्रेकफास्ट, लंच और डिनर प्रॉपर टाइम पर करते हैं. सो हेयर इज अ क्लॉक, राइट? सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ इट्स हैंड्स that which time you eat your breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, so which time you eat your breakfast? We eat our breakfast at 9 o'clock, right? So we will draw here 9 o'clock. Short hand will be on 9 and long hand will be on 12. Okay, and which time we eat our lunch? We eat our lunch at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, right? So here you will draw 2 o'clock on this watch. Okay, and after this dinner. So and which time we eat our dinner? We eat our dinner in the evening around 8 o'clock. So here you will draw 8 o'clock. Okay, now here are some questions given with some options, so you have to tick the right options. Okay, so first is fruits are a. So first option is bodybuilding food, second is protective food, third is energy giving food. So here the second option is right. Fruits are a protective food. Okay, second question is everybody we should drink 2 to 3 glasses of, first is milk, second option is oil and third is cola. So we all know that we should drink 2 to 3 glasses of milk every day, right? So the first option is right, that is milk. So now we are doing page number 35. Okay, so third question is which of these food items can be eaten raw? इनमें से कौन सी फूड आइटम्स है जो हम रॉ खा सकते हैं? दैट मीन्स हम उसे कच्चा खा सकते हैं. फर्स्ट इज पोटैटो, सेकेंड इज कैरेट, थर्ड इज राइस. सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज कैरेट. वी कैन ईट इट रॉ. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड इज onion, milk or meat? So that is meat. So the C option is right. So we are doing this part in a notebook. Okay, after this draw or paste a picture and write the name of. So here you have to write the name of that particular food and draw the picture of it. Okay, यहाँ पर आपको एक पर्टिकुलर फ्रूट का नाम लिखना है और उसके बाद उसकी पिक्चर ड्रॉ करनी है. सो फर्स्ट इज अ प्रोटेक्टिव फूड, राइट? सो वी नो दैट ऑल द फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स आर प्रोटेक्टिव फूड. सो हेयर यू हैव टू राइट द नेम, लाइक एप्पल इज अ प्रोटेक्टिव फूड, राइट? So write the name here and here in this basket you have to draw its picture. Okay, second is an energy giving food. So we know that butter, oil, wheat, rice, sugar, these are all energy giving food. So here you will write the name and here you will draw the picture. Okay, you can choose the food of your choice here. So third is a bodybuilding food. So we know that milk, pulses, egg, fish, these are all bodybuilding food, right? It helps your body to grow. So here you have to write the name and draw the picture. I wrote the name milk, right? You can write the name of your choice too. And after this, a food that can be eaten raw. Which food you can eat raw? We can eat most of the fruits like banana. So here I wrote banana, and here you will draw the picture. And the last is a non-vegetarian food. So which foods are non-vegetarian? That are eggs, fish and meat. These are all non-vegetarian foods. So here I wrote eggs, and in this basket you have to draw the picture of it. Okay? And in the last, there are some questions, and we will do these questions in a notebook. Okay? So now we are doing page number 36. Okay? So here you can see some pictures, right? So from this word bank, you have to choose the right word for these pictures. Okay? So what is this food? This is butter. And which food is this? This is cheese. And which food is this? This is curd. Okay? And the last, which food is this? This is paneer. Okay? So from this word bank, you have to choose the right word for these food items. Okay? So now here you have to draw a smiley face for a good food habit, and for a sad face for a bad food habit. Okay? So the first is eating in between the meals. Is this good or bad? This is good habits. We should eat snacks between our meals. Okay? And the second is, so here we draw the smiley face. Eating stale food. Is this a good habit or bad? This is a very bad habit. We should not eat stale food. हमें बासी खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. Third is drinking filtered or boiled water. So we should eat drinking on filtered boiled water. So this is a good food habit. So here we draw a smiley face. Fourth is eating fruits washed in water. So this is also a good habit. So here we have drawn the smiley face. And at the last, eating cut fruits from hawkers. So this is not a good habit. So this is why we draw a sad face here. Okay? So our book work is done here.